台湾看世界来看美国甲南韩展开着大型联合的演习，但是美国的总统川普却突然间宣布讲要缩减着演习的规模。川普讲，因为伊甲北韩的领袖金正恩关系良好，北韩为伊就任总统了后，就无威胁性，嘛真尊重美國，所以下令來縮減掉美國甲南韓軍事演習的規模。
Did he ask you specifically to scale back on those?
Quiet. You're very disrespectful in front of this young man.
美國總統川普17日白宮辦公室接見民眾，大家當日開講，記者向插話問這個問題。
Quiet. Who are you with?
I'm with CNN.
Fake news.
I just wanted to follow up on the South Korea question.
川普甲記者呢一句來一句去，後來伊講，北韓國家領袖金正恩已經針對伊這幾天的善意做出回應。
Why hasn't Kim Jong-un responded to your request to have a conversation?
How do you know he hasn't responded?
Has he?
Yeah, he has.
川普強調講，南韓這一年來，攏一直受到美國的保護，伊伫第一任的任期內，南韓捌同意一年付30億美金的費用，不過攏無付，以前美國袂當去保護所有的國家，這國家攏無要幫助美國。
How do you respond to folks who say that you are prioritizing the interests of adversaries in North Korea over our longtime partners by scaling back the military exercises?
No, I'm making it much safer.
美國前駐南韓大使葛都報講，美韓聯合軍演的目標是維持隨時會當部署作戰的狀態，讓北韓知影，以及表現出美韓同盟團結一致。川普下令縮減軍演，會影響到。
Why is I think it quite simply comes down to a wish to have another meeting with Kim Jong-un.
針對川普的指示，南韓總統府青瓦台17回應講，美韓一直維持穩固的聯合防衛態勢，訓練事宜保持密切的協調，後屆嘛就相關具體事項繼續合作。